Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yubraj. As usual, today also I'm here to analyze Nasdaq 100 future. This video is going to be slightly different than my previous videos because in this video I'm going to focus on analysis of my last week video. To what extent my analysis become true and false, I'm going to analyze, and if you have followed my last week video, how much money or how much profit you might have gained. Okay, so that's gonna be analyzed in this video. Okay, so when I made last week video, the price at that time, it was, if you have a remember, it was 13,200, this level here. And this is my prediction. I told you that it is going to be bearish next week. Coming week, it is going to be bearish. That's the prediction I made, okay? And now you can check this chart here. So this is last week's hourly chart movement. And it's a completely bearish. And next thing, what I have mentioned is that price will move in between 13,200 to 12,800. Check here, the price movement, exactly same. And what I mentioned is that how to trade last week. What I mentioned is that I don't know whether you have followed that video or not, whether you become profitable or not, okay? Last week, what I have mentioned is that 13,200, this is the strong resistance level. And then it's a very difficult to break this level, but I mentioned that sometimes we can see false breakout. Okay, so we have seen false breakout here. Okay, and what I mentioned is that when it breaks out and cannot hold 13,200, go in selling side. Okay, it is clearly mentioned, and then if you have followed that, exactly what I have mentioned, it happened. And then I have mentioned that I put you stop loss 13,250 level, somewhere else there, 13,250. Go in selling side, and your first target that gonna be 13,000, and the final target that gonna be 12,800, this level. We are not expecting to go below than this level. And I told you that even if it goes below than that, do not sell. It can jump anytime. The price action or the market sentiment that was bullish, still last week, few hundreds we were expecting to fall. That's the reason I said that even bullish market sentiment, it will go about 12,800, that level. So go in selling side even though market sentiment is bullish, because we are not going to cross and hold 13,200 level. We are going to trade below 13,200 level. But sometimes we might see false breakout. We have seen that false breakout. So I told you sell from 13,200. If you have sold from 13,200 and put your stop loss 13,250 and exit half of your trade 13,000. For example, if you had a big equity and if you have sold 10 lot from 13,200 level and sold half of your trade, that means 5 trades. So you might have got $1,000 profit from there to here. Okay, and still you have got half of your trade. That means you have got 5 trades. Okay, so I told you that from here, when it crosses 13,000, when it goes below 13,000, put your stop loss, change your stop loss from 13,252, this level 13,050, and add another trade also. Okay, and if you add another trade, 10 trade size, then put your stop loss again there 13,050, same level, and now you have got 15 lot. You are already 1,000 profit. Even if it touches this level 13,050 and you exit, still you will be profitable. Okay, so if you have done this, if you wait it to reach this 12,800 level, because our target is this level. This is hourly chart, and clearly it reached towards 12,800 this level and then jumped. This red candle, and then it was topped by green candle. We were not expecting to go below that. Nearly it touched 12,800, and the next candle that topped red candle. So that means now we have to exit. We have to exit. If you exit from this 12,840 something this level, that's brilliant. If you missed that, we should not miss here, because there's a green candle that topped the red candle. That means now we are not expecting it to go down. That's the reason we have to exit. Okay, so how much profit you will have if you have sold in 12,900 all of your trade, okay, all of your remaining trade, okay. So already you have sold half of your trade in 13,000, you have got 1,000 profit already. Remaining half of the trade you have got 1,000 there, so $2,000 there. And from there you have, from 13,000 you have got a 15 lot, and then if you exit in 12,900, so another 1,500 here. Okay, so 1,500 plus 2,000, you'll have 3,500 profit altogether in this week if you sold 10 lots. But if you are selling one lot, you'd have $350. It depends upon your trade size, okay? If you had 2 lots, if you're trading based on 2 lots, then you had 700 profit. 4 lot, 1,400 profit. Like a 10 lot, you had $3,500 profit. That's the massive profit, okay? So I believe that you followed my last week video and then become profitable. I believe that this video is helpful you to understand my video, how to trade, how to be profitable. If you like this video, thumb up. If you have any question, write down in the comment box.